fast enough.
A man injures his leg during a hunt. He's in the middle of the savannah. No means to treat the wound. The leg rots and death approaches. Last minute he's picked up by an airplane. He looks down and sees a land of pure white below him, glistening in the light. It's the summit of a snow-capped mountain. The mountain is Kilimanjaro. As he gazes down, he feels the life flowing out of him. He thinks, that's where I was headed.
And?
I hate stories like that. Men only think about the past right before their death, as if they were searching frantically for proof that they were alive.
What's up?
What I told that fellow was way too old to not be able to read signs.
Cool.
You know what I'm talking about?
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Big signs.
He's gonna come up behind you, so if you don't want him to crash into you, you should probably just keep going.
Listen up, buddy. Just listen. The signs up there as well. I'm just telling you what are you not old enough to read or not smart enough to read?
No, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm illiterate.
You look like
I'm completely illiterate.
you don't have a job apparently.
Do I have consent to film you or not?
You can film me and I'll film you.
Okay, that's fine. I mean, I'm just saying.
What I'm telling you is there's 4 signs there that say just to stay off the hill, the rollerblade road.
Okay.
Don't go on there. Here's a no parking zone.
Okay.
You're gonna go far, like I can tell.
Yep. Have a good one.
Please get out of here.